Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix the page fault in non-paged area blue screen in Windows 10. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your file explorer right here, okay, and you're going to go into this PC. Okay, you're going to right click on this PC and go to properties. Okay, this will open the properties window. Okay, right here on your right you can see here it says advanced system settings. Click on that. Okay, and it'll pop up this system properties video, and in the advanced tab under performance, click on settings. Here go to the advanced tab again, and you can see virtual memory. Click on change. Here you can see automatically manage paging file size for all drives. You're going to uncheck that because it'll be checked as default, and here you're going to change it to no paging file. Okay, and click on set, click on yes, and then click on okay. Then you can close out of this and restart your computer. So once you do that, that will fix the issue, and yeah, your computer will be stable again. So that's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.